My Son is a Ninja, written and illustrated by Schuler and Blake Schuler. The sun rose slowly as the sky greeted the sun. I called with squinted eyes. "Wake up, little ninja." He rolled over and simply said, "No." I was upset. His voice was groggy, and I felt as if it were unclear. I quickly shouted, "Boy, this is your mama up in here." He rolled himself tightly into the sheets and abruptly stated, "You need to find me." I rushed to the bed and unrolled his disguise. He laughed as if he was never terrified. He reminded me that the sun had yet to arise, so he wanted to stay in bed with his closed eyes. I then left him to meditate. He rested in his ninja state. As his meditation released his all, I yelled my last and final wake-up call. "Wake up!" I swiftly turned and hit his sword with the strength of a soft boot. Ooh! Clink, 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 clink. His block was quick and his reaction was swift to boot. His sword was already touching mine. His body was ready to move now. He bounced in the air with his sword in hand. With a quick swish, I backed away from him and stood in a stance. He stood sturdy and ready to spar. His eyes stayed locked into mine, setting the bar. As I noticed my noble opponent, I fixed my face for the terror. I didn't need to make any uncalculated errors. I slid forward to swing, and of course he blocked. This ninja couldn't be stopped. He kicked and I fell to the floor. I was defeated and I couldn't take it more. The ninja was finally awake. He was ready for school. He woke up a champion, and champions rule. My Son is a Ninja, created with work by Shante and Blake Schuler.